Hello guys, this is I'm with a dog, and I'm going to do this little video of a restaurant. And you have to have your sound on for this because if you don't have your sound on, I'm just writing this. You have to have your sound on. There. Because I'll be saying what the animal says. Okay, this kangaroo is a customer. I think this will be good for the waiter. this is the waiter. I'm not giving anything away. I was about to say that the waiter is... I can't say it. Now, the chef. The chef is a boy, but I don't really have any boy animals. Oh, I have an idea. I'll have it be you. Chef. There we go. So those are all of the characters. And you change back to the customer. That's the main character. Customer. Alright. 3, 2, 1, starting. What a nice party around here. I guess I'll go look around. Got decorations. Oh my, is that real? If it is, I don't want to touch it. A lot of deers. Looks like nobody else is here, because I get all the food to myself. Nom 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 nom. Nom. Go, 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 go. Ah! The mashed potatoes are magical. They disappeared. Back. I have a plan after I eat all this food. Ah, no, stop it, pizza. There. Donut, donut, donuts. Ice cream. Popcorn. I don't like fries, so I'm gonna throw these under the table. Throw, throw, throw. Grab, grab, crunch. Stop appearing. Man, this is a magical food table. La da da. Almost time to do my plan. Alright. Now I'm gonna hide. Wait till the waiter comes out. Oh my, we're out of food. Chef, chef. Oh no, oh no. Chef, chef. Oh. My evil plan is working, but it's not actually evil. Call me waiter. Waiter, where are you? Turns out there's no food. I guess I'll go get the chicken. La da 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 da. Now time for my plan. Hee hee. What's this section of all animals? How do I get out? At least got out of that mess. La la da. Okay, got the chicken. Weird. The chicken is back. A chicken. Guess I'll go get the popcorn. Hee hee hee. Ugh, now the popcorn is back. Now I'm not going to say what I'm going to get. Ugh. Then there's only one thing to do. Now, completely off that. Noodles, that, and that. Oh, and fries. Now everything is back. Oh my, that's gone now. Huh. This is something's going on here and I don't like it. Waiter, waiter, where are you? Waiter! Oh, fainted. Huh? Huh? I'm awake. Seems like Chef is calling me. Waiter! Chef, where are you? Oh my. Looks like he took care of the food and looks like a customer ate some. Oh well. I wonder. And we don't have anybody come at our party besides chef and waiter. Something, something's going on here, and I don't like it. Huh? What's this section of animals? I need to get out. Huh. Appears maybe one of those. My plan has worked. I've scared them. That was my exact plan. There's somebody behind, and I know it. I heard somebody over here. I know I have. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. Whoever it is not gonna get away. Yes, I will. Hey, who was that? Nobody. Hey, you're a kangaroo. Arr. Fine, fine. Get it over with. What is my punishment? Arr. What is it? Ah! What? This section again? You? Main boss, main boss. Oh, yes, waiter. From all the way up there. Yes, I'm out. No, you're not. Gotcha. Oh, man. All the animals are going to help get you at the very bottom. Oh, no, then I won't be able to get out from there. Oh, yeah. You won't be able to get out. There. Is there any faster way to do this? Oh, yes, there is. Why did I just ask that? Oh, and boss, I apologize. You still get your punishment. 550,000,006. You need counting lessons for sure. Hey, I said 6. There's more than 6 animals. Way more. Especially, yes, especially there. It's not 6 in this group. Almost done. Hop, 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 hop. Well, guys, it's me. I'm a pet dog, and to be continued. Part 2 may actually come out tomorrow. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I'm not going to give anything away. That's kind of like cheating. Well, bye bye. To be continued.